This tutorial assumes you've already launched the Fantastico application. Now let's learn how to install osCommerce. Click the osCommerce link here. This is the osCommerce installation screen. osCommerce is a power user shopping cart with a big variety of modules and support of almost every payment gateway. A big developers community is ready to offer custom solutions depending on your needs. Click the New Installation link here. Enter the name of the directory you want to install in, or leave this field blank for installation in the root directory. Enter an admin username and password in the following boxes. Enter your shop name. Then enter the owner's name. Enter an email sender address. Then enter an admin email address. When ready, click here to install. Click here to finish the installation. That's it! osCommerce has been successfully installed in your account and is ready for you to start configuring it. Click here to log in to your new installation. Log in using the admin username and password you assigned during installation. Your new installation is now listed here on the script's homepage. From here, you can visit the site by clicking here, or remove the script from your account by clicking here. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to install osCommerce to your account from within Fantastico.